that left the gravity table with the same weight and same size, but with different colors, is pushed into a silo on top of us now. And then from up there, we begin to pour down the coffee into the color sorter. And this machine helps us to sort out the type of colors that our coffee has. For example, in the green beans, they are what we call discoloreds. We have chalky white and we have black beans. We also have insect damage and maize and beans. So we subject this machine to sorting out. For example, we can instruct it and say, pick out all the black beans, then also chalky white, then also insect beaten, and that is what it will do. And it will collect all the best, pure and perfect beans together and send them out again into a storage, and reject what we have asked it as black beans and insect damage into a box which is just below here.